When our trees grew over too much, we developed a moss problem in our yard. I treated it with baking soda, but I needed a good tool that could get in there and actually extract all of the dead moss. 77-inch bow rake did the job. The 17 tines kind of got in there, and as you can see, it just really collected a lot of that moss within the grass that we were hoping for. With this project, I really appreciated that the metal tongs were 3 millimeter thick, and they just seemed good for the heavy use. I also like that they had that anti-rust coating. It was kind of moist in the grass and really needed it to get in there and do the job well. With it being 17 inches wide too, it was able to cover a larger surface, so it was less work for me overall. One other thing I really appreciated was it has like an anti-rust, anti-corrosion coating. And when it was time to get the debris off of the rake, I was able to just kind of gently use my hands and slide everything off quite easily. And here's a look at those welded joints up close. You do have to assemble it. It came well packaged for me, and the directions couldn't be simpler. And here's an up close of that weather resistant coating. I love that the entire thing is metal completely all the way through. There's no wooden parts, and it's welded together, so I feel like this one is built to last, and I really appreciate that part. I guess overall, first impression of this thing, it seems reliable. It got the job done for me. It was durable and versatile. It was able to get this tough moss out of the grass, and it left the grass alone to grow, which was what we had hoped for. If you found this helpful, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.